Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, September the 27th 2023. We've already solved the 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 7173. And before I start, I always count the printed digits as well. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones, as always, 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle, what kind of jigsaw Sudoku is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 11. Yes, 8 by 11. Sometimes we have a jigsaw Sudokus 9 by 11, sometimes 8 by 8. This one is 8 by 11. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Are boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2? Well, I see only one dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Then the following question, quadra boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. I see here only one quadra shape. And when you see a quadra shape, quadra L shape, it's an L shape. Remember that the inside box is always a 5. The inside box of the L shape quadra box, yeah. More quadra boxes? No, only one quadra box. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape. Rotated, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, T shape. Then the following shape, only one T shape here. Yeah. Then the following shape, how about yeah. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, here another one. Mirrored. Yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one. Yeah. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Upside down. The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, let me draw this here first. This box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. We have more L shapes in this puzzle. Nope. L shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Yeah, here rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one. Here, this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers, so let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution, place the 4 there. If I place the 4 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 4 there, the only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 4 here, because this box is connected with that box. If I place 4 here, I cannot, if I fill a 4 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here in the same area. Not the solution, place the 4 there, the only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. This box cannot be 2 or a 4. We have a 2 in this box, either in this box or either in that box. Same for the 4. Cannot place the 4 here because we need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So here, this box cannot not be 2 or a 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5 then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Alright. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution, place the 3 there. If you place the 3 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3, but we already have a 3 here. Not the solution, place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5. Well, it's not the solution, place the 5 there, because then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5, but we already have a 5 here. So the only place left for the 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Also connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. Then This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 1. Alright, then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Then this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then let me think. Alright. Yeah. One. Well. Yeah. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3, 4, 1. 1 or the 2. Come on, this is taking too long. Yeah, 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Need a 1 here. 3 there. No 1 here. This cannot be 5. This cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be here. Still thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. Having troubles. Well, 1, 2, 3. So 4 and a 5. This box can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Can it be a 3? So 2 numbers left, 4 and a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 here. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Okay, and now this box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So I've eliminated this 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 4. Okay. Well, and now, Well. Come on. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, and these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes together. Oh, of course, this 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 2. Is also connected with that box. Should be also 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. And I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. Well, I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Alright. Okay. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. These two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. The only place left for the 4 should be here, because we cannot place the 4 there. We have a 4 over here. Yeah. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. And now, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay, this box can be a 4, this box can be a 5, so the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1, 2, and 3 are missing here. Well, this box can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. So I've eliminated the 2 here, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area. No. We have a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. I marked this box with 1 or a 4. Well, it can't be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. I finished in 18 minutes. Well. Not a 1 star. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I'm faster than 20 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.